You want to make an announcement on a Google Classroom? I will show you step by step how you can do that. For announcements, you can use the stream. The stream is kind of the social hub of a classroom. You as a teacher can make postings, but depending on the settings you choose, the students can interact here too. Let me show you first how to create a message. I just type in, "Have a great day in class." I use this function often when I teach completely remote classes and I share little motivational messages as well as important announcements for the Google Classroom. And then you can also add material from your Google Drive, a file from your computer, a link to a website, or you can add a YouTube video. And as always in Google Classroom, you can then choose if you want this announcement only for this classroom or also for other classrooms that you might teach. You can also choose if you want it for all students or only for specific students in your classroom. In this case, I just want it for this classroom, but for all my students. You can then choose to save it as a draft, schedule your announcement for a specific date and time, or you can post it right away. That is what I will do, and now I can see the announcement coming up on my stream. I hope you enjoyed this demo. If you want to learn more about how to create a Google Classroom, you can subscribe to my channel or check out my other tutorials.